Welcome back to my channel, and if your braids look like this, here are quick 7 easy head wrap styles you could try out.
I'll wait for you to come to me. I'm holding on. No matter what the story reads, the binding has been done. No need to pay the price. I leave a way for life. For you, I'll give it all. Forever, I'll wait for you to come to me.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Say it. My mind, and my body. My body says it. My mind, and my heart. My body says it. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy.